How to make a poll on Facebook. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll on Facebook. So let's just jump right in. Open up Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to find the profile menu at the top right. From there, you want to find your groups. You can see the groups right here on top. If you don't see it, tap on see more and you might find it down below. But I'll just tap on groups right here. Now from your groups, all you have to do here is select the group that you manage. And here you can just go ahead and create a poll. So at the top, you can find the option anonymous post, feeling, and then poll. Tap on poll. Now you can easily write down your question. Now, to add options after your question, tap on option 1 and write down your option. To add more options, you can just keep tapping add poll options down below and you can easily go ahead and add options from here. Now, once you've added all of your options, you can change a few settings. You can allow members to add options. So if you don't want them to modify your question, you can just turn this off. And you can allow people to choose multiple options. If you just want to let them choose a single option, you need to turn this off as well. Once that is done, keep adding the options until you're good with it. Tap on done, and you can add a caption and then directly post it. That's basically it, guys. That's how you create a poll on Facebook. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.